Hey, bud. Whoa. Do 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 do. And I'm practically bud. I'm going home. I've had enough of this weather. It's not fun. I don't like it at all. Outside, the white pipe outside to just why are people being such idiots on the road today? That I can't be bothered. We're just going to post a ride of people trying to kill me. Why do people drive like maniacs in this type of weather? Like the whole point is to drive safely and carefully. It's not nice weather. You want to be safe. You want to be extra careful. Yet people decide, no, let me go and cause havoc on the road and cut people off and jump into intersections. There's no consideration whatsoever.